Hello friends, today we are going to talk about ViewChild in Angular. Okay. So ViewChild Decorator is used to query any element, HTML element or component within that component, right? So if you take our example of this card which we created, right? So this is one component. So first of all, there is an app component, right? And this card component is a child of app component. So using ViewChild Decorator, from the app component, we can query this card component. How? We will see that. And it's not that we can just query uh, only child components. We can also query uh, elements with a reference. Okay? So let's see how we do that. So this is our main component, app component, and inside this app card is a child. Okay? So what we need to do, we have to use view child decorator. And in this decorator, we have to pass the component name, right? The component which we are using. So we are using card component, variable name equal to card component, right? And to check this, what we will do on this, but on this click or card click, we will console this. So let's check. So if I click here, you can see the card component, right? This is card one. So this is how in the code you can use in the parent component to query the child component, right? Same way, there is another technique where which you can use to query any other element, right? So let's say instead of app component, I want to query this header. So for that, we will need to add template reference. I'll call it main header. Okay, so this is the main header. We are going to query this, right? I'll clear the console. And in the component, we'll add another view child, and name of the template reference. We'll call this header element reference. So this is an H1 tag is an element, and we are going to use the element reference. And what we'll do, we will console log this header. So you see the once I click this, you can see the element reference there. So let's see. So how to know whether this is the header template and element reference, right? So if you see here, inner HTML, card click ID1. So this is the inner HTML of the header. So by that we know we are referring to the header component. So by referring the or getting the child component or referring the component, we can do various operations. We can do modifications. We can call child component uh, functions. We can call child components variables. Right? So that is basically the use. You can modify, add, update, or do any functionality on the child from the referring from the main component. We will see more example later on. Also, I'll show you one problem with view child. Right? So this is our component. I'll again console log this card. So instead of a card click, if I click on the second card, so you'll see, even though I clicked on the second card, it is the component that is getting passed is ID1. So this component is basically getting passed by the view child, right? So view child is referring to the first component only. If I click on the card 3, then also it is referring to the first component, because view child can refer to only one child, right? Card component. So it picks up the first child. It cannot get the list of all the cards. It can only refer to the first child of the total list. So whenever we click on any card, it is directly referring to the first component. So how to solve this problem, we will see in the next video. Till then, if you like the video, please subscribe. Okay, see you in the next video.